Is knowledge management causing your company a headache?
Headaches! You give me headaches!
Don't worry, you're not the only one. Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps. Before we really dive into the challenges and solutions of knowledge management, let's first go over what knowledge management actually is. So, knowledge management consists of two parts. First is the process of collecting, creating, and organizing knowledge. Second is the process of the end users finding and following that knowledge when it's needed. With those two parts, we often see these three challenges. The first challenge is that end users cannot actually find the guides they need. When employees have trouble finding relevant information that could help them be more productive and make important decisions, they tend to not use the knowledge base. So the solution is to optimize your search and make knowledge easier to find. Ideally, you'd have a knowledge management system like a knowledge base or knowledge ops platform to organize your digital guides. When you use these systems, you can include additional search terms. You can add tags, improve your titles, and more. And in doing those things, you make it easier for people to find the knowledge they need. The second challenge is information overload. If end users find the right guide, but it looks like this, then it's really difficult to follow and end users are not going to read it. And companies fall into this trap of stuffing their SOPs with everything there is to know about a policy or procedure. And those SOPs end up looking like an encyclopedia. When that happens, employees do not use the guides, and instead they just ask others for what to do. And that can create a lot of interruptions and mistakes. So the solution is to try to make your guides look more like recipes that are easy to follow. And if you're using a knowledge management platform, you can link your articles to other resources instead of cramming everything into one giant article. The third challenge is that your employees simply don't trust the information in the knowledge base. And this happens when it's incomplete or inaccurate. So the solution here is to incorporate a feedback loop where end users can let you know if something is missing or inaccurate. And you can quickly make updates and then let them know when those things have been updated or added. Doing this will help you develop a one-stop shop for all of your information, which will increase productivity, prevent information from getting lost, keep your guides up to date, and train your employees to use your guides with every task. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. By addressing these common challenges head-on and implementing effective solutions, your organization can unlock its full potential in knowledge management. Want to learn more about knowledge management systems? Check out the links in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe.